In this video, I am going to explain about what is deadlock. So I'll explain what is deadlock with the help of an example. Let us assume that this is a room, and in this room we have all the teaching aids like chalk, piece, duster, projector, speaker and mic. So all the teaching aids are available in this room, and this is the classroom 1 and this is the classroom 2. Okay. So now faculty in the classroom 1. So let us assume that F1 is the faculty in the classroom 1. He needs chalk piece, duster and projector. So he'll ask the person who will maintain these resources. He will ask the person who will maintain these resources for these teaching aids. Now this person checks whether chalk piece, duster and projector are available or not. So if they are available, then he will give these teaching aids to this faculty. So now these are available. Initially all are free, right? So all the teaching aids are available. So chalk piece, duster and projector will be given to the room number 1. Okay. So now faculty 2 in the classroom 2 now wants chalk piece, duster, speaker and mic. So he will ask the person who maintains the teaching aids, then he will check the teaching aids. So these teaching aids are available, so he will give these teaching aids to the classroom 2. Now after some time, faculty in class 1 finds that voice is not audible to the every student in the room. So sound is not audible. So he'll ask for the speaker and mic. F1 asks for the speaker and mic. This person checks the availability of the teaching aid. He finds that teaching aid is not available, so please wait for some time. When I'll get the teaching aid, I'll give it back to you. Like that he will say. So here F1 is waiting because he cannot teach the class without the speaker and mic. So he is waiting. That means he has chalk piece, duster and projector, but still he is waiting for the speaker and mic. So once he got the speaker and mic, then only he can complete his teaching and he can return back all the teaching aids to this person, right? But here the speaker and mic are available for the faculty 2. Okay, so he is waiting. Faculty 1 is waiting for speaker and mic. Now after some time, faculty 2, he feels that, so if I have the projector, I can explain the topic better. So he asks for the projector. So he finds that this person finds that projector is not available. So this particular teaching aid is not available. When I'll get that teaching aid, I'll give it back to you. Like that he will say. So here faculty 2 has the chalk piece, duster and speaker and mic. Then also he is waiting for projector. Okay. So here if you observe, these two faculties are holding some teaching aids and waiting for some other teaching aid, right, which will not be released. If you observe, after finishing his work, then only he can return back to the speaker and mic, right? So after finishing his class, then only he can return back to the projector. He can return the projector, but they cannot complete their teaching and they cannot return this teaching aids, right? So this situation is called the deadlock, holding some teaching aids and waiting for other teaching aids which will not be released. This is called the deadlock. Okay. So now I'll explain what is deadlock in terms of operating system. So in operating system, these types of teaching aids, these are called the resources. Okay. So first, processes should request the resource. Here faculty 1, faculty 2 are called the processes. Processes request for the resources. So first processes request for the resources. Then if the resources are free, then they can access the resource and they can use the resource. Once it has finished with that resource, then he can give that resource to the resource manager. So here he can release the resource. So what are the steps? Requesting for the resource, using the resource, then releasing the resource. These are the sequence of steps generally. Okay. Now I will explain what is deadlock. Here if you observe, these teaching aids, projector and chalk piece, these are not shareable, right? When resources are not shareable, then only we will get the problem. Okay. So here also I'll explain this concept in operating system terminology. Let us assume that I have three processes, process 1, process 2 and process 3. Here process 1 is holding the CD read-write drive 1. Here these resources are not shareable. Here speakers and projectors are not shareable, right? That means at a time only one person can use them, right? In the similar way, here CD read-write drive 1 is not shareable. So it is holding that resource. Process 1 is holding that resource. That means when it finished with this resource, then only it will release the resource. Now any other process can use it. Okay, but at the present time it is holding CD and read-write drive 1. Now process 2 is holding read-write drive 2 and process 3 is holding read-write drive 3. These resources are not shareable. That means only one process can use them at a time. Here if you observe, process 1 is holding this one and requesting drive 2 and process 2 is holding 2 and requesting 3 and process 3 is holding 3 and requesting 1 and requesting CD read-write drive 1. Here if you observe, the processes are holding some resources and waiting for other resources which will not be released. Here if you observe, they are holding some resources and waiting for other resources which will not be released, because here this faculty cannot complete its work and cannot release this resource, right? So this faculty is waiting for holding some resources and waiting for other resource which will not be released. In the similar way, here also processes are holding some resources and waiting for some other resources which will not be released. So this situation is called the deadlock. Okay. So a deadlock is nothing but a set of processes are holding some resources and waiting for other resources which are held by some other processes and which cannot be released, because those processes are also requesting for some other resources. So they cannot finish the work and they cannot return the resource. So it cannot access the resource, it cannot execute. Okay. So a deadlock is nothing but a processes are holding some resources and waiting for other resources which are held by some other process in the list and which will not be released. That is called deadlock.